Hi, today I'm front of REALME C53 and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner does on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner on the power key button, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we will see how fast this option is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you can see, the fingerprint was here fast and correct, and we just unlocked the device successfully without any problems. You could try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or PIN code unlock methods. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.